Top tips for finding a job in the U.S. Expert insights for job seekers. Are you looking for a job in the United States? Here are some important facts to keep in mind. First, it's important to know that the job market in the U.S. can be very competitive. There may be many qualified candidates vying for the same position, so it's important to make sure your resume and cover letter stand out. Networking can also be a key component in finding a job in the U.S. Attending job fairs, reaching out to contacts in your field, and using professional networking sites like LinkedIn can all be effective ways to make connections and find opportunities. It's also important to be aware of the different cultural norms and expectations when it comes to job searching in the workplace. Finally, be prepared to negotiate your salary and benefits package. In the US, it's common for employers to offer a base salary with the potential for bonuses and other perks, and it's up to you to negotiate for what you're worth. In conclusion, finding a job in the US can be challenging, but with persistence, networking, and a strong understanding of the job market and cultural expectations, you can land your dream job.